guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Wednesday, 4:45 in the afternoon. We've been online for about 15 minutes, haven't taken a single order, haven't even gotten any offers. My goal was going to be $75. We're only dashing until 8 o'clock, but honestly right now that's looking super impossible because I haven't gotten a single offer. So you can see here, according to the map, it's red, but you know, we don't know what that means. It means there's just probably not enough dashers. I don't know. So yeah, we'll see you guys on our first order. Guys, after declining maybe like 10 orders, did a ton of waiting, got paused twice, I think, or maybe, yeah, twice. We finally have our first order. We just picked it up from Noodles and Company, showing 625, less than 3 miles. We went ahead and took it, mainly to get our day going, and for the fact that honestly, best order that I've gotten while being online. So not the greatest start, but we'll make it work. So the food was ready, so we're about 10 minutes away. We'll see you guys on the next one. Alrighty guys, got the first order in the books, currently sitting at $725. So we just need, you know, $63 more, or $62.75 if you want to be exact. So currently 5:14 in the afternoon, making our way towards the town center. Hopefully we get something good. So far, nothing but garbage, but we'll see you guys on the next one. Guys, we just picked up our next order here from Bar Taco. It was showing $9, 4.4 miles, I think. I took it because cash flow, really. I was like, $9, that's not bad. And Bar Taco, I looked at the items, the food should have been ready. The food was ready. Now the drop off, I did not look at where it was going. It's going to this building where it's like another dead zone for me, and I hate those buildings because I can't. Let's say I can't reach the customer, I can't even reach them because I can't get a hold of the phone number to call them. But luckily, he said she's gonna meet me in the lobby, so bless this lady's heart for doing that. Anyways, we're about 10 minutes away. We'll see you guys on the next one. So the lady's husband came downstairs, picked up the food, and when we were coming back to the town center, we got this order here from Chen's Kitchen, and Chen's Kitchen has become one of my go-to places now. One, their Chinese places are usually fast, you know, so they're super fast, and their orders are decent, you know, like mileage-wise, nothing crazy or anything, and the payouts are okay. This one's showing 750. I think it was showing 4.5 miles, maybe less. I took it mainly because 750 is a pretty decent, you know, base pay just on the surface, and we're kind of running out of time. We need to do $75 by 8 o'clock. It's 5:41. We're only sitting at 1625, so got to pick up the pace. So I figured, hey, maybe they'll stack it. Who knows? But I'm pretty sure the food will be ready once I get there, so I'm kind of banking on that. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, after doing the drop off from Chen's Kitchen, of course it was around 5:59. I was getting a bunch of garbage. Then 6 o'clock rolled around on my app, like it does every single day. It crashed. It gets super laggy. It gets so slow. I was like, oh my god. And of course, you know, then I was getting an order. It said 625, 2.9 miles from My Hometown Bistro. I was trying to accept it, close the app, brought it up again. I accepted the order, closed the app. It said that I took it. So I'm hoping, I mean, it says here that I'm picking up for Nicole. So hopefully, you know, the order, it's in my app. Because every single day at 6 o'clock, it messes up. Maybe it's just me, I don't know what's going on, but every single day at 6 o'clock, it does that. Super annoying. And then on top of that, it was definitely going crazy because if I took the screenshot, and the map they were showing made no sense. I was gonna make a big ass loop to go to the restaurant when I was like right there. So I don't even know where I'm going to begin with, like, you know, as a customer drop off, to be honest. So we'll see how it goes. And when I see the food's ready, we'll see you guys in a bit. So we got the order dropped off, right? And yeah, the map was definitely wrong. It was only 1.1 miles away from the, you know, pickup to the drop off. Ended up being like 10:25, I think. So now we're sitting at, let me decline. Let me take a screenshot first of this crappy order. And then I'm gonna do a little montage at the end of the video of all the crappy orders that I got, because I'm taking screenshots for most of them, just so we can share, you know, the garbage orders together. Anyways, another one. Okay, we're sitting at $34, guys. $34. So I would say we're basically almost halfway there. Really, not really, but we're getting close. It's 6:23. Can we do it by 8? I don't know. I think so. Hopefully, we need a couple of bangers really to you know, to be able to do that. But we'll see. Anyways, we'll see you guys on our next order. Just accepted the next order here from the Bento House. I've been collecting so many screenshots from garbage for the orders that to me look like garbage orders. Maybe to some of you guys, you might say, hey, that's a good order, I take that. But to me, if you're sending me a stack offer, it's 2 orders, right? It's gotta be at least $10, at least. And the miles need to be decent, you know, and preferably from the same merchant, you know. But some of these stack offers are from slow places, and they're showing like What was one that I just saw? Ah, man, I can't even remember, but it was garbage. I think it was like $9 for two orders, and I think it was going like 5 miles. Yeah, I mean, that doesn't seem that bad, right? But it's 2 orders. It means you have to make 2 different stops at 2 different places just to pick up the food. Then the drop-offs are not even going that close to each other. I mean, to me personally, that doesn't make any sense at all. And honestly, I don't even know if there is a good order in there. What if they're just pairing bad orders together in the hopes that people will take him as a pair, as a group? I don't know. Anyways, 2 minutes away from the bento house. That one was showing us, I think, 625, 2.8 miles. I'll take that all day long. Let's go. Guys, just got the last order dropped off here. The latest order, not the last one, sorry. But it was going to the same building as my last order yesterday, meaning I have no signal, no bars. What threw me off is the lady was waiting for me in the parking lot. Because as soon as I parked, she said, hey, are you delivering for so-and-so? And I was like, yeah, that's kind of weird. Like, it said to leave at your door. She's like, yeah, I meant to hand it to me because drivers can never find my door. Okay, for one, whoever designed this apartment complex, stop. Don't design any more buildings because they did a horrible job. It's really hard to tell, like the numbers are blend in with like the bricks. So unless you know where to look, you're not gonna find it. That's the first thing. And second, they don't really go in order. It goes like 1615, 1609, 11, like it makes no sense. But she said she meant to do that. I mean, she seemed trustworthy, so you know, I gave her the food and I said I handed it to the customer. So let's hope nothing happens. Knock on wood, no wood in the car, obviously. And then look at the order. I took it mainly because of the cash flow, right? Buffalo Wing Factory. Now I've been there many times for myself. Their cheesesteaks, amazing, but they're really, really slow. But it's showing 1725 if I'm not mistaken. I think it said 9 items, 10 miles. I'm taking it because of the cash flow. I'm not expecting anything on top of the $17. I think that's exactly what it's gonna be. But I think that's, you know, a good amount of money. So I'm really hoping the food is ready. And even if it's not, you know, just chill, you know, watch TVs or whatever. It's a sports bar, so you know they got games going on and whatnot. But I'm hoping the food's ready. We'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, I just got the food picked up. The guy said it's been ready for 20 minutes. I guarantee you the DoorDash has been sending it out as like $6.50, $6.75, whatever. Like a bunch of lowball offers. But it's going a little bit of way, you know, especially if there's no Dasher close by. And that little shopping center doesn't really have anything. It has like a Burger King that's a no-no. Burger King is garbage. It has some Dunkin' Donuts. All the Dunkin' Donuts in my area suck. I haven't been to one in forever because they're just really slow. Way too understaffed, so they can't deal with the volume, you know, of people walking in, doing the mobile ordering, and then DoorDash and all the other apps. So basically, the little plaza is basically like a waste of time, really, for almost everyone, really, Dashers. So yeah, I mean, he said it's been ready for a long time. At least the food was ready, I guess. So we're gonna be about 20 minutes early from the pickup time, which is great for me. That way I can make it back and take another order if I need to. I didn't look at the subtotal, because for one, the food was ready, so I didn't get a chance to look at the receipt or anything because it's not showing up on my app. But I have a good feeling that it's just gonna be $17.25. I think when orders like this that have been sitting for a long time, DoorDash shows a true payout, so someone takes the order. Now that's, you know, what I've seen. I could be wrong, but I got a strong feeling that that's exactly what's gonna happen. Hey, but if I'm wrong, I'll take it. I would love to be wrong and get more money. But yeah, so we'll see you guys on the next. Guys, let me start by saying I was wrong. It ended up being $18.91, I think. So a little bit more than what was shown, which is fine. We made it all the way back here to the plaza where the Total Wine's at, Five Guys, and didn't get a single offer worth taking. I'm currently declining a bunch of garbage. If I'm not mistaken, we're currently sitting at $59.46. So we need about $15. It's 7:30. I think we can do it. I think we can do it. When I hit 75 by 8 o'clock, is it possible? I think so. Hopefully. I mean, if we get an order in the next few minutes, then for sure. If not, I mean, I'm going to try my best, but we'll see you guys on the next order. Guys, we just took what's possibly our last order of our shift. It's 7:45, or 7:47, I'm sorry, and it's taking us this long to get another decent offer. This one is showing 6:25. My Home Thai Bistro is going to the hotel, literally right next to it, so you can literally see the drop-off is so close to the pickup. They probably could have walked if they really wanted to. Hey, but that's the whole point of convenience, right? This is convenient for you, and I got a good feeling they might tip on that. It's 7 items. It could be decent. Maybe it could be exactly what we need. Now, if the order is just $6.25, I'll go ahead and call it a day. because it is going to be probably around 8 o'clock. But if the order is like 10, 11 bucks and I'm only like $4 away, I'll stay out, just see how long, maybe for another 10 minutes or so, and hopefully get another order so we can hit the goal. Wish me luck, guys. Guys, the food was ready, and this is a caviar order. Have you guys ever done that, a caviar order? I know DoorDash bought them out. I think it was a couple years ago. I'm not sure exactly when that happened, but I know it's basically like a fancy DoorDash. At least that's my understanding, meaning that all the orders are from like fancier places and stuff like that. Could be wrong though, but I'm pretty sure that's kind of what they have, you know, more fancy places. But yeah, I mean, you can tell because on the top part it has a little like circle or whatever, like their logo. But yeah, and as you can see, I'm super close to the drop off. I'm gonna put a screenshot here so you guys can literally see where the drop off is. Super close. Where is it taking me? I don't know. So the GPS kind of took me a weird way. I'm not entirely sure where the hell it's taking me at the moment. So let me drop this off and then we'll catch up with you guys in a bit, because I don't like being lost, especially if I'm this close. We'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, we just got the last order delivered, and you guys are not gonna believe what just happened, right? So basically, I was pulling up to the hotel. There was a lady standing outside, and I pull up kind of like a little bit away. I don't like parking like right where the cars park. So I'm like, hey, are you here for Colleen? And she's like, yeah, that's me. And I'm like, oh, that's great. I have your order. You know, I gave her the food, and she goes, hey, I don't know if I tipped you on the app or not, but I don't remember. So just in case, and she's like, I don't have my phone. I left it upstairs. She goes and she gives me a bill, right? But she crushed it up, you know, a lot. And I was like, that's probably $5, whatever. When I get back to the car, I opened it up, $20. She gave me $20 in cash, and on the app, she ended up tipping $8.75, I think. So overall, ended up being $10.75. So basically, we finished our dash at like $90 with 21 cents. Shout out to her. She totally made my night. You know, that's crazy. The order was only going like a mile or two away. Now, I don't think this always happens with caviar orders, but the few that I have gotten, they usually always have nice tips. I don't know, if just like a different level of clientele, you know, more upper class people that usually always tip, or they order from like fancier places and whatnot. But anyways, we're gonna finish our dash, you know, with a smile on my face, basically $10 shy of $100, you know. So I just finished my dash, as you can see over here. Now, it's just a little message now. This is new. This is about payout was sent to your Dash Direct debit account. I've never seen that before. It could have been there before and I just missed it. But we basically did 7 deliveries and we were able to do 90 bucks. Obviously, the lady at the end totally carried us for sure. I wasn't even sure we were gonna hit it, you know. But yeah, so I'm making my way home now. We'll put up all my numbers like always, guys. You guys stay safe. We'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.